If your IP automatically changes every 5 or 10 seconds, how would that feel? In today's video, I'll show purely for educational purposes how auto IP rotation works using the Tor network. This video is for educational and privacy awareness purposes only. Any illegal activity is strictly discouraged. First, let's understand it briefly. An IP address is your internet identity. When you visit a website, you are identified by your IP. Tor Network is a privacy-focused network that routes your traffic through multiple nodes. Now let's come to the main point. Auto IP change means you get a new IP at fixed intervals without doing anything manually. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open your virtual machine running Kali Linux. Then switch to the root user by typing sudo su. Next, update your system. Command apt update. In my case, I'm already logged in as the root user by default. Now you need to install Tor. Type the command apt install Tor. Since I already have it installed, I won't need to do it again. But for you, it might take a few moments to complete. Next, we need to install Python 3 to create a virtual environment. Now let's create a virtual environment using Python. Type the following command: python 3-m venv tornet venv. Here, Tornet venv is just the name of the virtual environment folder. This command will create a new folder. Inside this folder, a completely separate Python environment will be set up. To activate the virtual environment, type the following command: source tornet venv/bin/activate. This command is used to activate the virtual environment. Now it's time to install Tornet inside the virtual environment. Type the following command: pip install Tornet. This will download and install the Tornet Python package in your virtual environment. Make sure your virtual environment is activated before running this command. Now open your browser and go to Settings, then scroll down and click on Network Settings. Here you'll see System Proxy Settings, but we're going to set up a manual proxy configuration instead. Use the following settings: SOCKS host 127.00.1, port 9050. Check the option for SOCKS v5. Also check Proxy DNS. This will route all your browser traffic through the Tor network, helping you stay anonymous while browsing. Now we're going to run Tornet with time control. Type command Tornet, interval 5, count 0. 5 here means that your IP address will change every 5 seconds. You can also set it to 10, 60, 120 seconds, or even more, depending on your preference. It's completely up to you how often you want your IP to rotate. Tornet takes a few seconds to start, usually around 5 to 10 seconds, so don't worry if it doesn't begin instantly. Our IP has now started changing. From now on, it will keep changing automatically every 5 seconds, just like that. This allows you to set a specific time interval, after which your IP address will automatically change. This is exactly what hackers do to stay hidden while working. Now let's open the browser and go to the Tor project's official site to check if we're connected properly. Type the following URL in your browser: check.torproject.org. If your browser is properly configured with the proxy settings, this page will confirm that you are connected to the Tor network. Now let's go to dnselite-test.com to check our IP address. This will show us the current IP and the location it's displaying. We can confirm that our IP is changing and showing different locations, just like we set it up. As you can see, our IP is now showing Brandenburg, Germany on the DNS leak test site. At this point, every 5 seconds, our IP address has changed multiple times, just like we set it up. Each time it shows a different IP, confirming that the IP rotation is working perfectly. Once this is running, your IP will rotate every few seconds or minutes, making it extremely difficult to track you. Each time it changes, it will show a completely different location. Hackers use this method to work anonymously. Every time their IP changes, it shows a different IP address, making it nearly impossible to track them. Every time you log into your virtual machine, you'll need to run these commands to start Tornet. First, activate the virtual environment. Source Tornet venv bin activate. Then run Tornet with the desired settings. Tornet interval 5 count 0. This will ensure that your IP continues to change at the set interval and keep you anonymous. Tornet provides a safe and secure environment for ethical hackers. In today's video, we saw how to automatically change your IP using the Tor network, either every 5 seconds or every 10 seconds as you prefer. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching.